Hey guys, I am back with another video. Hold on. Today we are going to be doing another pack opening. As you can see, this is all the cards we got in our last pack opening. So I'm opening 5 Elite Pro Packs. And to top it off, 1 Championship Run pack. I know it's S5 and that was a few weeks ago, but I just feel like that's the only thing in the store that I have my best bet on for 1,000 gems. So let's go ahead and just get into this. Starting off with the first. No shakers. Marquil Harris, Eric Fisher, Antonio Winfield Jr., Jimmy Moreland, and Nate Solder. Oh, there was one more. Jacob Grant, Jerome Baker, Travis Fulgham, Brandon Wilson, Justin Madupaki, Travis Benjamin. There's one more, and each one. Beast Gaming replied. I commented on one of his videos. MJ Stewart Jr., Jordan Simmons, Marquise Golden, Golden Tate, Josh Doxson, and Kalen Sanders. And now Ryan Pope, Durham Smith. Roast me if I don't get it right in the comments. Josh Sweet, Vosian Joseph, and Jason Sanders. And one more is Cam Sims. Our next is Dakota Allen, Nick Bosa, John Simmons, Evan Ingram, Dan Bailey, Alden Smith. We're not getting that lucky. We didn't get so lucky in that. But let's go ahead and open this. There's no shakers. N'Keal Harry. Oh, QB. Nick Mullins. Another Donovan Smith. Another N'Keal Harry. And wow, all of those cards updated my team except Nick Mullins because I already have Michael Vick. But that was all, guys. Our expensive players, that's kind of embarrassing. Auction search, that probably goes for 25. 25, 30, 22, yep, 20,000. Yeah, and the N'Keal Harry's go for a little bit. And yeah, guys, that's all for this video. Kind of got skunked, but I guess I'll just post this as a video. See ya, guys. Bye-bye.